Welcome to this tutorial on Polygon, also known as Matic. Polygon is one of the most important Layer 2 scaling solutions built for the Ethereum blockchain. In this video, we'll explore how Polygon works as an Ethereum sidechain and why it's become crucial for solving Ethereum's scalability challenges. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution that operates on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It provides significantly faster transactions and much lower fees compared to the Ethereum mainnet. Polygon functions as a sidechain, which means it processes transactions off the main Ethereum chain while still maintaining the security benefits of Ethereum. This unique approach allows Polygon to improve scalability without compromising on security. To understand why Polygon is necessary, we need to look at Ethereum's limitations. Ethereum can only handle 15 to 30 transactions per second on its mainnet, which is extremely slow compared to traditional payment systems. This limited throughput leads to network congestion during peak usage times. When the network gets congested, gas fees skyrocket, sometimes making simple transactions prohibitively expensive. These scalability limits prevent Ethereum from achieving mass adoption for everyday applications. Polygon addresses these problems with impressive technical improvements. The network can process up to 65,000 transactions per second on its sidechain, which is over 2,000 times faster than Ethereum. Transaction fees on Polygon typically cost less than 1 cent, making microtransactions economically viable. Polygon achieves a block time of just 2 seconds, providing near-instant transaction confirmations. Additionally, Polygon is fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, meaning developers can migrate their existing Ethereum applications to Polygon without changing any code. Polygon's architecture consists of 3 distinct layers working together. The first layer is the Ethereum Layer, which serves as the base security and settlement layer on the Ethereum mainnet. The second layer is called Heimdall, which is a proof-of-stake validator layer responsible for checkpoint validation. The third layer is Bohr, which handles block production and processes all transactions on the sidechain. These 3 layers work in harmony to provide both speed and security. Let's compare Polygon directly with Ethereum to see the performance differences. Ethereum processes 15 to 30 transactions per second, while Polygon handles 65,000 transactions per second. Average gas fees on Ethereum range from $5 to $50 or more, whereas Polygon transactions cost less than 1 cent. Ethereum has a block time of approximately 12 seconds, while Polygon confirms blocks in just 2 seconds. These dramatic improvements make Polygon ideal for applications requiring frequent transactions. Here's how a transaction flows through the Polygon network. First, a user submits their transaction to the Polygon network. Second, the transaction gets processed on the Bohr sidechain with fast confirmation times. Third, validators batch multiple transactions together into what's called a checkpoint. Finally, these checkpoints are submitted to the Ethereum mainnet for final security and permanent record keeping. This checkpoint mechanism allows Polygon to inherit Ethereum's security while maintaining high transaction speeds. Polygon offers several key benefits that make it attractive for developers and users. First, it inherits security from Ethereum through the checkpoint mechanism, ensuring transactions are ultimately secured by Ethereum's robust network. Second, it's developer-friendly with full Ethereum virtual machine compatibility, allowing developers to use existing Ethereum tools and frameworks. Third, Polygon provides seamless interoperability, enabling easy asset transfers between Polygon and Ethereum networks. Finally, Polygon uses an energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, making it more sustainable than traditional proof-of-work blockchains.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.